Alright, this box is super light. I like it's an old Cisco box. That's hilarious. Alright, let's see what we got. So this is what it is. It's the it's a RC car kit from Tamiya. Remember back in the day, this was really the main way you could get into any RC cars, was you had to build them yourself, unless you had a lot of money. So let's get this opened up and take a look at what's inside. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got inside here. It's an original unopened. I have no idea. I'm sure Tamiya still makes these. It's not like it's a ultra rare thing. You can find plenty of them on eBay's. Either way, what's the use of something if you can't play with it? I've never actually seen the inside of one of these. Come on. Ooh, it's a clear body. What's that? Alright, start with the boxes. What's this? RC High Performance Racing Car. Oh, it's the tires? Yeah, this is definitely a street car. What else we got? Divider. I guess that's supposed to be the simulated brakes. There's the gears. More stuff. More stuff. I'm sure this goes with the tires somehow. It's 4 discs. Interesting. I've always wanted to put one of these together. This is the metal parts. Oh, these are like faux carbon fiber. I don't think they're real carbon fiber. Maybe it is. Not for what I paid. I wouldn't think it'd be real carbon fiber. Pins. Hardware. What's this? Fluid for building the shocks. Diff grease. This is for the antenna. That's a hefty motor, to be honest with you. I'm going to look up and try to see what turn motor this is and see if I can actually get a Well, a better motor. Because if it's fast, why not make it faster? Oh, that's cool. Oh, and there's all the, normally I'd say these are decals, but I don't know if these are decals or just stickers. But this is so that when you go to spray paint the body, you don't spray paint the windows. That's nice. I don't know what that is. More body parts. I don't get it. What's that supposed to? I think this is supposed to be the rear wing. Oh, I see. You have to cut it yourself. It is the rear wing. Okay, that's cool. Same thing here. You got to cut out the body. So there's the hole for the tires. Wow, this really is pretty bare. It'll be fun, I think. Let's see what this is. These are basically just your warnings. Don't be an idiot. And this is just telling me what you need to finish the kit. Cool. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and go through and read this real quick, and then I'm going to have to put together a list of parts to order. Oh, I get it. Okay. That's why it's all... Because you paint them on the inside so that when they flip over, they don't scratch. Cool. I'm actually pretty excited for this. All right. Time to look up what this motor is and see if I can get a better motor. So where are we with the C11? Right now we've got unboxed it. We've got the front part of the chassis put together. We've got most of the back of the chassis put together also. And we're just getting ready to put the axles in for the rear end. And coming up in the next episode, we're going to be putting in the motor. And maybe at the end I'll include just a little bit of running the bare chassis around with the stock Tamiya motor. So if you want to see that, like and subscribe. Come and see the next episode. And if you have any ideas, let me know. I'll try to work those ideas in. That's all I got for this week. You guys have a good one. Take care.